Good morning, Nivedita. How are you, beta? Okay, Shanchan. Good morning, Shanchan, Nivedita. So, how are you all? How are you all? So, today, just take page number 56. Page number 56, we will do the next two line reading, okay? The heading and today's date is 24th, okay? And the chapter is the hare and the tortoise. In previous class, we have read two lines, and today we will learn again from the starting. I want everyone to read after me. So, everyone unmute your microphones and I will hear your reading, okay? Good morning, Mringango. Good morning, beta. We will start, okay? The hare and the tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to run a race. They started together. So, one day who decided to run a race? The hare and the tortoise. And how they started? They started the race together. Are you reading after me? Mrigango, Shanchan, unmute your microphone, beta. Shanchan, unmute your microphone. Unmute it. Mrigango, unmute your microphone, beta. The hare ran very fast. So, the hare ran very fast. The tortoise ran very slow. When the hare looked back, he could not see the tortoise. The tortoise was far behind. So, the hare decided to take a nap under the tree. So, till this much we will read again with the spelling, okay? T-H-E, the, H-A-R-E, hare, A-N-D, and T-H-E, the tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise, the hare and the tortoise. Can you hear me? Everyone unmute your microphone. Just unmute your microphone and you will read after me with the spelling. O-N-E, one, D-A-Y, one day, comma is there, okay? A, hare, H-A-R-E, hare, and, A-N-D, and, A, tortoise, T-O-R, tortoise, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise, decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided, T-O-2, R-U-N, run, a race, R-A-C-E, race. So, now tell me in your chat box, who decided to run a race? Who can tell me the answer in the chat box? Who decided to run a race? Who decided, beta, to run a race? Tell me the answer. Just now we read in the first line. One day a hare and a tortoise decided to run a race. Who decided? Two animals are there. Two of them are there. Decided to run a race. Who are they? Yes, Sunshine, Brindika, Povitra, very good. Mringango, very good. So, hare and tortoise decided to run a race. Next line. T-H-E-Y. They started. S-T-A-R. Start. T-E-D. Started together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. So, the hare and tortoise decided to run a race, and then again they started together to run the race. So, hare and the tortoise started the race together. Next line. The T-H-E, the hare, H-A-R-E, hare, ran, R-A-N, ran, V-E-R-Y, very, F-A-S-T, fast. The hare ran very fast. So, now tell me, who ran very fast, hare or tortoise? Who ran? Hare or tortoise? Tell me the answer. Yes, Ashma, Brindika, very good. Nivedita, very good. So, all are reading the lines. Very good. Very good, Shanchan, Ringango, very good. Yes, the hare ran very fast. I told you in previous online class that hare is a fast running animal. The next line. T-H-E, the tortoise. T-O-R, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise, ran, R-A-N, ran, V-E-R-Y, very slow, S-L-O-W, slow. The tortoise ran very slow. So, who ran very slow? Who ran very slow? Tell me. Hare ran very fast. And who ran very slow? Very good. Ashma, Shanchan, Brindika, Mringango, beta. See the spelling of tortoise, beta. See the spelling of tortoise, Mringango. See the spelling of tortoise. T-O-R, T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. So, the tortoise ran very slow. Then after slow, there is a full stop. We will pause for a while. Again, we will start. When, W-H-E-N, when, T-H-E, the hare, H-A-R-E, hare, looked back. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked, B-A-C-K, back. So, when the hare looked back, what will happen? We will see. After look back, we will pause because there is a comma. He, H-E, he could not, C-O-U-L-D, could not, N-O-T, not, C-S-E-E, the, T-H-E, the tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. When the hare looked back, he could not see the tortoise. So, who looked back? Who looked back? Hare or tortoise looked back? Who looked back and who? Yes, hare looked back. Very good, Ashma. And what? When hare looked back, whom he could not see? Which animal he he could not see, hare could not see whom? Yes, Ashma, very good. So when hare looked back, he could not see the tortoise. Next, okay, next line. The, T-H-E, the tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, the tortoise was, W-A-S, was far, F-A-R, far behind, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. The tortoise was far behind. So see here, tortoise and the hare started the race together. And here in the second picture, hare is running very fast and the tortoise is running very slow. And the tortoise was far behind. Where was the tortoise? Tell me, where was the tortoise? The tortoise was far behind. Yes, Ashma, very good. Very good, Ashma. Tortoise, yes, very good, very good. All are answering me. So, all are reading with me. Very good, beta. So, S-O, so, after so, we will pause because there is a comma. So, the, T-H-E, the, hare, H-A-R-E, hare, decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided to, T-O, to, take, T-A-K-E, take a nap, N-A-P, nap, under, U-N-D-E-R, under, the, T-H-E, the, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. So, hare decided, hare thought that let me take a nap under a tree, means just a short sleep. Okay. So, take a nap under the tree, the hare decided, hare thought that let the tortoise come, so long I will take a short sleep. So, here is in the third picture, here is the hare taking a short nap under the tree. Can you see this third picture? See, the hare is taking a nap under the tree. And the third, next line, the, T-H-E, the tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, the tortoise kept on running, K-E-P-T, kept, O-N, on, running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. The tortoise kept on running, and when the hare was taking a nap under the tree, the tortoise was continuously running. This tortoise was in the race, so he was continuously running. So today we have completed 4 lines. So you will read these 4 lines at your home, okay? You will practice this 4-line reading at your home. So for today the class is till this much better. Are you clear with this reading? Yes or no? Are you clear with this 4-line reading? Yes or no? Okay. You will practice this reading, okay, at your home, reading loudly. And you will read saying one by one spelling. So for today, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, students. Bye bye.